How to add cash gift to Throne wishlist. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a cash gift option to your Throne wishlist so your supporters can contribute directly. Let's get started. First, go to jointhrone.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one. It's free and easy. Once you're logged in, navigate to wishlist in the menu, and this is where you can add items and customize your list. Click on the add item button and a pop-up will appear for adding new items to your wish list. Under the options for items, look for cash gift or a similar option depending on the Throne version. You'll be able to specify the amount of money you'd like to receive. This could be a set amount, or you can give your supporters the freedom to choose how much to contribute. Give the cash gift option a name and, if possible, add a description such as what the funds will be used for. This helps supporters feel connected to your goals. Once you've customized the cash gift option, click Add to Wishlist or Save, and your cash gift option should now appear on your Throne wishlist. And that's it. You've now added a cash gift option to your Throne wishlists. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.